Today's video I will show you how to use your phone YouTube app to convert a regular video to a YouTube short. Once you pick the video you want to convert, click on remix, and once you have the remix, then click on edit into a short. After that, it starts showing the video. So 15 seconds is default. Change it to 60 if you want to make it a 60 seconds short, and move around the bar at the bottom to the section where you want to show the YouTube short from or to. So, but you remember the maximum you can have in the YouTube short is 60 seconds. So once you move around the scroll bar to show what you want, making sure that whatever you're going to create in the short is enough information to cover what was in the regular video. Then once you're done with that, click on next, and then the app starts processing the video into a short. So once the processing is complete, it'll show you a sample of the video you just created in the short, and click on next, and then you can actually give a name and description. You can give a bland description in the start and then go back to your desktop or PC and update all the details you want. So for now, just give a generic caption or short. So once you're done that, then click on upload short, and then it actually makes that video public, and you can go back to your channel on the desktop and make any changes you want to the description and title. So hope this helps. Talk to you soon again. Thank you. Bye.